Hello, my name is Mike Ward. I'm the Global Director of Content at Scrip, Pink Sheet and Invivo. I'm here at the Biotech Showcase 2018. It's a meeting that runs parallel with the JP Morgan Healthcare Conference, which is the traditional kickoff for the pharmaceutical investors and biotech companies, where they, one, discuss issues, but two, also share some views on the progress that they're making, and also looking for opportunities where they can do some deal making. I'm joined by Markku Jalkanen, who's the founder and CEO of a Finnish clinical biopharma company called Faron. So Markku, thanks very much. So we spoke a couple of years ago, and since then the company's made quite a lot of progress. So could you just outline how that's going?
Yeah, there are two practical reasons why this will be the year for Faron. We have completed the pivotal phase 3 trial in Europe, and we expect to have a readout in the first half of this year. And that is really critical for the company, but also for the project itself. And we are really hopeful that the readout will be really good. And the second reason is that we will take the second project to the clinic also this year.
Right, so the first program is in influenza.
It's in acute loss of respiration caused by flu or sepsis or even by trauma. Okay. So those are the three usual things. Deadly condition, 30 to 40% of the people who get the condition die, and there's no treatment at the moment.
So this is something that you have developed on yourselves?
Absolutely.
So the key technology, I mean, what makes Faron special in this space?
We have learned the mechanism very precisely, and it's a science-based and data-driven. So we think that there shouldn't be any surprises anymore. It's really completion of the trial, getting the readout, and then move on to the market.
Right, so the readout, this is in Europe?
This is in Europe.
And when did you say the readout would be?
It's maybe April, May this year.
Okay. And with that data, what will you be able to do?
We would be able to then go in, if the data is good, file the dossier for the market approval in Europe. Yeah. But then at the same time, FDA took the position that if this data is really compelling, we can go directly to the BLA also in US. Right. So allowing us two major market access simultaneously. Okay,
now this is a program that you own.
Correct.
In Europe and the US, but you have a partner in Asia.
3 countries, Japan, South Korea and Greater China. Right. Rest of the globe is still by us.
And that partner is?
It's a typical licensing. In Japan it's a Maruishi, in Korea it's a Faron Bio, and in China it's a CMS.
All right, okay, so you have 3 different partners for those regions. Correct. And are they supporting you with, so the data can be used for the US filings? Will it be able to be used for Asia, or are they doing something different?
Partner in Japan are conducting their own pivotal trial. Right. That was the request by Japanese FDA, PMDA. I think China is now looking at the possibility to skip the clinical stage as well, so that they can proceed directly to the filing there as well. Right.
Okay. And in Europe and in the US, you're planning to commercialize the program yourself?
Getting this far, we don't need any traditional licensing partner anymore. We need marketing help. You can buy that from service companies, or you can get a partnership that actually can provide it. Right. But no traditional licensing deals anymore. Okay. And as this is a specialized hospital product, we don't need that many reps really to go around. It's really focused therapy area.
So have you started building up your commercial infrastructure?
Correct. Absolutely. Okay.
And
for which we just hired a new chief commercial officer from AstraZeneca to join our team.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So and then the second program, that's not in the first program space.
No, it's a different one. What we do, we want to remove immune suppressive elements around the tumor, which they have built to protect themselves and hide against host immune system. Sure. It's a one single antibody treatment, and it will open up certain cells to activate the immune system. And this we hope to be able to get to the clinic by midsummer.
Right, so what sort of proof of principle have you demonstrated so far with that program?
It's really to get the activation of host immune system to recognize the cancer antigens and build a kind of a defense against them. And if this is successful, you can actually have a complete remission for years, because then the T cells will memorize all this and can maintain cancers away.
So you're hoping to sort of get into the clinic this year.
Right.
Are you looking to do that on your own, or would you?
We would like to do a stand-only development with the antibody alone, but we are really looking forward to combine that with some other immune checkpoint molecules, and there we need a partner really to do that. We don't have resources to go that far.
Okay, so talking about resources, so to sort of build a commercial infrastructure is not cheap. So how well is the company funded to be able to sort of execute both that plan and also the new program?
We are funded for those things we are doing now, but in order to build the commercial structure, we have to go back and raise money one or the other way. And I'm assuming that when you have a good readout, I don't think so we have any problem doing it.
Right. You're quoted on the London Stock Exchange.
London, yeah.
Is it AIM?
AIM part, yeah, right, yeah.
And last year you actually had quite good progress.
Threefold increase in the share price, yes, yeah.
Okay, good. Well, so Markku, thanks very much for popping by and
Thank you.
explaining. Thanks.
Yeah.
Cheers.